Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and to all of the subscribers of this channel, thank you so much for being always there for viewing this video. And currently I am at the parking lot of the Ayala Central Block here in Cebu IT Park, and I am planning now to go to the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos in Mactan Island. That's the second project or the second series of Royal Ocean Chris Mactan of primary homes. I want to take video or update of the site of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos. So bear with me as we go to that project. Let's go now to the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos of the primary homes project in Mactan.
Turn right onto I Villa Street, then turn left onto Jose Maria del Mar Avenue.
So Royal Ocean Chris Mactan is the second project of the primary homes. Not the second project again, it's the second Royal Ocean Chris Mactan series. And I want to
turn left onto Jose Maria del Mar Avenue.
I want to update the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. It's a pre-selling project of the primary homes in Marigondon. And we are now in IT Park and we are going now to Mactan Island. So if you are
in 200 meters, turn right onto Road 15.
Saba sa ano pasensya kayo, saba kayo ako sinipagon biki saba kayo siya. Ano man gud ni ganiha akong naka-on man gud ning GPS.
Turn right onto Road 15, then
we are now at the bridge, Mandawi Mactan Bridge. So we are now approaching to the Mactan Island. Mactan. Again, the purpose of this video is I would like to update the construction site, the actual site of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos. Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos is the second series of Royal Ocean Chris project of primary homes here in Mactan Island. The first Royal Ocean is located in Lasaksud, Tungan, and the units there are ready for occupancy. If you are planning to buy a Royal Ocean Chris Mactan brand which is ready for occupancy, then you can avail the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Uno, which is in Basaksud, Tungan. And the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos is pre-selling, so we have to wait for about 4 to 5 years before that unit is turned over. But I would like to update because some of our viewers here in the channel is also a buyer of Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos. So I think this is for you and for the aspiring buyer of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan brand, and maybe this video is also for you. And for someone who is looking for the views of your town or your island, the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan, then I think this video is also for you. So we are now in the Mactan Island, and this lot is already the primary homes Royal Ocean, and that is going to the project, and as of now it's still bare. So going there, I will not go there na lang kay sakit akong tiil. Sakit, nagchinilas naman gani ko. So going straight there will be the beach access of the Royal Ocean Chris project. Naida ko kay nalangga mo. Tara, nilupad ay. Dako kayo. Let's go back kay sakit ako tiil. Kasagutan pa siya karon. Soon. Nice na kayo ni dire. So if you are a buyer of Royal Ocean Chris Mactan Dos, and you want to get an update, so this is the update of the project. No structure yet, and today is January 2026. Dili na ako malakas dito, ma'am, sakit ako tiil. Anil ako sa gawas. Let's go to the phase 1 of the lot. Here will be the phase 1 of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. The phase 1 of the project. This is the phase 1 of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. The tower A, B, and C will be built here soon. Here in this barren lot, open lot. And this is the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. This will be the clubhouse and the pool, and this is the lot. Let's go inside. So no land development yet, no structures, not yet. So this is the update, the latest update of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. But don't you worry, because Royal Ocean Chris Mactan doesn't depends on the third party contractor. They are the one, they have their own contract, AAA construction firm, and they can deliver mostly on time projects. It doesn't depend on any. So this is the phase 1 of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. It's bare for now. That's the Saikyong Ocean Residences, but they don't have access. And this is the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan area. This is the phase 1 of the project. This is the phase 1. The other phase will be going to where we took the video first. So it's open, no development yet. So that's our update for the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan, and hopefully this video is very helpful for you, especially if you are a buyer here in the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan DOS. So this video is taken January 2026, and this is the area of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. Hopefully this video helps you, and thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, share the video, and keep watching, because from time to time we will be updating the project of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan DOS, so you will be get updated too. Thank you so much. This has been me again, Mark, and thank you for supporting the channel, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. God bless you all.